Okay, now to get paid, you have to do this little orange box up here. You may have seen this for the past few times you've come to work on your KDP account. So let's go ahead and do update now. You will need your parents for this, so just be aware you can do some of this on your own, but then a lot of it you're going to have to do with your family, and you'll see why in just a second. Okay, so this is an individual business. You can put in your birthday, or you might ask your parents if you should use their birthday. Okay, so I'm just going to I'm going to pretend like I am one of you. So when were you all born? Like 2012? Okay, let's just see what happens. Yes. Okay. So you have to be 18 to be paid. So you have to put in your family's date of birth here. If for some reason you can't get a family member to do this for you, just let me know and you can just use my account and we'll just do it that way. Okay. So let's put in a real birthday. Okay. Country or region, United States is where we live. Okay, so you're going to fill in all of your information. I don't know why it is so large. Okay, I'm going to do Seattle. Okay. Now, this is obviously where you need your family because they have to put in their account information because when you sell a book, this is where the money is going to be deposited, okay? So you will need your family's information here, and then you will also need down here is this tax information. So once you put in all of this, how to get paid, what account do you want the money to go into, then some questions will come up about your tax information. This is so if you make a whole lot of money, then you actually have to pay taxes on what you make. So you just have to put that information in here. So this part you can't move on until you have completed all of this. So you need your family with you. And then once your family has put all of this information in, and then your book is approved, there will be an option when you log back in to KDP to actually order copies of your book. So let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so when everything has been approved and you have everything, all the information in there, all your bank account information, all of that, then when you come back to KDP on your main page, instead of it saying continue setup or anything else here, it will say order author copies, okay? So when you are ready, you can click order author copies, and these will be the books that you can order for that lower price of $2.30 or whatever it might be. You can order as many books as you want. Now you definitely need to give one to me because I want to add it to my library. But you also probably want to order a couple extra copies. I can give you a little bit more guidance. Students usually order like between 5 and 10 copies so that they can send them to people they know. So I'm just going to put 5 in here. And I'm going to say it's Amazon.com, and I'm going to go to add to cart, and it will tell me how much these books are going to cost. So these are save for later. Why do I have all these books in here? Okay. Save for later, some face masks. Okay. So this tells me that my book is $3.04, and then I just have to pay $15.20 to get all 5 of those books to me. Okay. You can see it usually ships within 2 to 3 weeks. So you have to wait a little bit. It's on an Amazon Prime sitch. But you have to wait a few weeks to get that sent, but they do come pretty quickly, usually within 2 weeks at the absolute latest is what I've seen. So then you'll just go to proceed to checkout, and this is like a normal Amazon ordering thing. Again, you probably need your family to help you with this. So that is how you get your book published and into the hands of actual readers. Okay, go ahead and do what you need to do and ask me any questions. And I'm so excited to actually see your book in my hands. So cool, do it.